Hello everyone, welcome back. Now, in today's video, we're going to make different kinds of cartoons. We firstly start with the spaceship. As you can see, we make the border of the spaceship using a black marker or a black sketch pen. And then we add the detailing like the wings and the windows. And then we move on to make the planet from which the spaceship has launched. We also make different planets around the spaceship. And we also make stars. Then we go on to coloring it. We color the sky with purple and bluish color. And then we go on to color the rocket with a grey color, and we also color the wings with it. Then we use a shade of red to color the rest of the body of the spaceship, and then we also color the fire behind it with the color red, orange and yellow. Now as you can see, we have to color it very carefully so that the colors do not mix up with each other. Now we use the color yellow for the glasses, and also to color the main glass we use the color blue. We also color the planet and the stars using the color yellow. We also use different colors to make the entire drawing look more creative and beautiful. As you can see, we have used the colors green, blue and pink, and also used the color orange for more detailing of the planet from which the spaceship has launched. And as you can see, we are all ready. Now we move on to the next drawing, in which we make the drawing of a dolphin king. And as you can see, we firstly make the big eyes of the dolphin and also make the teeth and the face of the dolphin. And then we move on to the body, and we all do this with a black sketch pen or a black marker. We then move on to the crown and the rest of the plants associated with the dolphin to make sure that it is under the sea. And then we make the bubbles with the color blue, and then we make the sea, which is of course light blue in color, and we color it with great precision. We also use the color purple to add more creativeness and beauty. Then after this, we use a darker shade of blue to have the colors blend beautifully with each other. And then we color the dolphin in the color pink, because who doesn't love the color pink? And then we also use the color red to just shade it. And then we use the color yellow to color the crown, and we use a color orange for the dolphin and other colors to just define the entire drawing. We color the leaves with the darker shades of green and lighter shades, and we're all done. And we move on to the next drawing now, which is that of a building, and there is a very big bird behind that building. As you can see, we have made the bird with very big eyes and a very big body, and then we make the clouds and detail the building with of course windows. And then we move on to coloring it. We have used shades of yellow to color the windows, as you can see, and we shade it with a light orange. And then for the top of the buildings, we have used the colors red, green, pink, and also we have used the color blue. And after this, we color the bird, the big bird, in the color yellow, and we have also shaded it with orange to make it look more beautiful and presentable. And for the wings, we have just used orange. And then for the sky, of course, we use the color blue. And then we move on to the body of the building, for which we have just shaded it with a grey color. And we're all ready. We're all done.